Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Call of Duty Zombies theme on piano. First, identify the key and the initial notes of the main melody. The iconic 4-note opening is your starting point, so practice it slowly until it feels natural. Pay close attention to the rhythm and timing. These elements are crucial for capturing the authentic, eerie feel of the game's soundtrack. Consistency is key for a strong foundation. Once you've mastered the opening, expand your practice to include the entire main melody, noting any subtle variations. Begin incorporating your left hand to add depth and harmony, perhaps with simple chords or a bass line. Remember to focus on dynamics, varying your volume to create emotional impact and truly bring the theme to life. This adds a layer of complexity. To elevate your performance, start incorporating more complex bass lines with your left hand, giving the piece a much fuller sound. Don't be afraid to experiment with different chord voicings to find what resonates best with you. Finally, practice improvisation within the theme's structure. This allows you to personalize your rendition and make it uniquely yours. When performing, strive to maintain a consistent tempo from start to finish, ensuring a cohesive and polished sound. Recording yourself playing is an excellent way to objectively identify areas for improvement and refine your technique. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep at it. Also, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.